Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if YouTube history is not deleting. So open YouTube and go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Then go to settings at the top right. Then scroll down and go to manage all history. Then from here, you need to scroll down and click on the delete button. So if you have activities in here, you should see it and you should be able to click on the delete button. So if you're able to click the delete button, so choose all time if you want to delete all of it and confirm the action and it will be deleted. Now, if you don't have activities in here, so just like what you're seeing here, I've already deleted all of YouTube history. So you don't see anything in here. So that's why I can click the delete button. Now, next, if that still doesn't work, you can close YouTube app and go to phone settings. Then from here, go to general, then go to iPhone storage, then search for YouTube, open it, then click offload app. Click offload app once more. So this will free up storage, but it will save the documents and data. So once done, click reinstall app. So reinstalling the app will place back your data. So just wait for it to finish. Now once done, close settings and open YouTube app again and see if that solves the problem. And that's all. Thank you for watching.